Tom dreamed of a koi pond that would bring peace and beauty to his backyard, but trusting the wrong landscaper turned his vision into a disaster. Poor craftsmanship left his dream in ruin. That's when Modern Design Aquascaping stepped in. Tom didn't just need repairs, he needed a rescue. We began by understanding his dream. What kind of atmosphere did he want? How would he enjoy the space with loved ones? Using his vision as a blueprint, we transformed his backyard. Rescuing Tom's pond wasn't easy, but the Modern Design team thrives on challenges. Stunning waterfalls were repositioned for perfect views. Large boulders and plants added natural beauty and structure. Cascading water brought peace and tranquility to his space. We crafted a 14 by 14 foot pond with an 8-foot waterfall. Boulders for seating, koi safety features, crystal clear water with an oversized filter for easy upkeep, and cedar driftwood for charm. And after 2 weeks of hard work, Tom's backyard went from disaster to stunning oasis. When Tom saw the transformation, he was blown away. His backyard had become the peaceful oasis he had always imagined. A place to unwind, relax, and connect with loved ones. It's everything I dreamed of and more, Tom said.